So the first quarter of 2019 is going to be the busy one for Samsung. The company is gearing up to launch several high-end gadgets, including the first foldable smartphone and a Galaxy S10 lineup that will include a model with 5G capabilities. So far there is no official information about the release dates of these devices. However, if this report from South Korea is to be believed, they will happen rather soon. According to the resources, Samsung will launch a foldable Galaxy F and S10 series in March 2019, shortly after their official announcements of the next year MWFC Barcelona. So Samsung is going to produce at least 1 million units of its foldable phone during 2019. Resources indicate that device retail for about $1,800, which is likely limit sales. For comparison, the 512 gigs Note 9, which is company's most expensive model to date, sells for $1,250. A lot of new changes are coming to one more traditional S10 series. The lineup set to feature a design with virtual no bezels, a fingerprint scanner and front-facing cameras under the display, and 3 cameras on the back. If this sounds interesting to you, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more future updates and videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.